A car.
Hard Hat Cat by Jamie Kiffel Alshay. Illustrated by Maxine Lee. Carbon Pub. Meow, meow, meow. Who said that? Look left, look right, then at the construction site. I see workers in hard hats building. I hear bzzz sawing, bang hammering, drilling. And I hear meow. I look to see if there could be something hiding in a pile of gravel behind a sawhorse under a cement mixer. Then I look high, high up into a tree. I see a kitten. It sees me. It zips down, head first, tail last, fast to the ground. Scrabble, scrabble. It crosses the gravel to my house. I bring it water and something to eat, food we keep for cats on the street. Strays, they tiptoe past the falafel stand, the Bareka man, and the stand in the shuk that sells pots and pans. I wish we could adopt them all, but we don't have space, my mom says, and we have a wolf. He likes to chase cats. Mom says Ari, he can't come inside, but he hops up for a ride on my shoulder. He snuggles and tries to curl up into a ball. Here comes Woof! Whoosh! Kitten zooms back to the construction site. But the next morning, meow! Looks left, looks right. Then he runs to me. This time he lets me comb dust from his fur. Purr. I've got to find him a home. My mom asks Ari, do you know how many street cats live in Israel? 2 million, says Safta. That's my grandma. Too many, says Dora. That's my aunt. I know you want to help, says my mom, but who can take another cat? Still, every morning, Kitten meows from his tree, then looks left, looks right. No dogs in sight. Kitten runs to me. He seems neater, sweeter. I ask everywhere I go, doesn't anybody want a clever cat? A forever cat? Everyone says no. Kitten keeps coming back. I pet his nose, tickle his toes, and talk to him. I wish I could do more. Then one day, he's not there. I look down low and high in the air. Even Safta and Dora search their rooms in case he slipped inside, but they find nothing. Shum klum. Days pass until knock, knock. It's a mom and a little girl. I'm Mrs. Pearl, says the mom, and this is Shira. We just moved in. She points to a new house. The girders, beams, and mixers are gone. Instead, there are windows, walls, and a front yard. And then I hear meows. There's a cat in front of their new house. He showed up at our door, says Mrs. Pearl. We came to ask, is he yours? I look closer. Hey, it's Kitten. I gave him food, I say, but he's a stray. Woof! That's why he can't stay. Yay! Shouts Shira and jumps up and down. Yay? I frown. Sorry for the fuss, says Mrs. Pearl. We're just excited because He's adopted us. I guess he didn't need me, I say. Mrs. Pearl doesn't agree. When you gave him food, you gave him care too. You taught him love as he grew. He became a people cat because of you. Now every day I get to see the cat they've named Shalom. With a little help, the construction kitten built himself a home.